The Velvet Luster Body Polishing Kit is designed to deliver smooth, radiant, and visibly luminous skin. A 4-step, single-use professional body polishing service that helps reduce tan, refine skin texture, and give a high-shine satin finish. Step 1. Tan Melt Exfoliator gently exfoliates the skin, helping melt away tan and reveal fresh, smooth skin. Step 2. Velvet Silk Body Oil nourishes, moisturizes, and reconditions the skin, preparing it for further treatment. Step 3. Radiant Smart Wrap helps firm the skin and even out skin tone, enhancing overall radiance. Step 4. Super Glaze Body Polish delivers a smooth, satin finish glaze, leaving the skin polished and soft. Designed for professional salon use, the Velvet Luster Body Polishing Kit delivers visibly smoother, even-toned, and radiant skin after every service.